Grand Rapids Home for Veterans is reporting 12 deaths from COVID-19, doubling the count since just last week. And the number of staff and people living there testing positive for COVID-19 continues to climb. Tonight, 13 on Your Side's John Hogan has a closer look at the numbers and efforts to reverse that trend.
The Grand Rapids Home for Veterans is almost in a state of lockdown as COVID cases surge. About a quarter of the residential population is currently in the COVID ward.
We started noticing, just like the rest of the state, an increase in cases throughout the region.
Fredibly is spokesman for Michigan Veteran Homes. He says the virus was most likely brought into the facility by staff.
More often than not, it will be an unintended exposure from a staff member.
As of November 1st, there had only been one resident death from COVID at the home. By November 30th, the death count was at 4. In the last 2 weeks, it has spiked to 12. The Veterans Home since March has had numerous safeguards in place to protect residents and staff.
They're wearing masks, they're wearing gloves, they're instructed to wash their hands between each and every care interaction.
Since the latest surge, staff are being tested twice a week. The Michigan National Guard will be helping with contact tracing.
So we have members of the Michigan National Guard who are going to be coming in and helping us do that really comprehensive review.
A team of state health experts also visited on Monday.
And then they'll have an official report back to us as to observed areas of improvement and also what we're doing right.
About 100 staff members have tested positive for COVID since the pandemic began. The greatest surge has come since the Friday after Thanksgiving.
And 39 individual staff members who have also tested positive during that same period of time.
Staff, Fredibly says, are getting ready for the arrival of the COVID vaccine.
At this point, the estimates that we've been seeing is we could expect the vaccine here as soon as the week of the 28th.
State officials say they hope precautions that have been put in place and the arrival of a vaccine will turn the tide. In Grand Rapids, John Hogan, 13 on Your Side.